welcome back. I am glad you guys came back and decided to watch this with me. I found something. I have not looked at anything, not even really. I don't remember the thumbnail because I just came up on my feed while I was at work and I just clicked it to save to my save list so I could so that I could actually some of their playlist looks pretty funny, so that I could watch this with you guys. It's got a very interesting title. It's a channel I've never seen before called Highlight Spotlight. Well, of course I've not seen it. There's only 132 subscribers, which is more than me. But I don't know how good that makes their videos. The title is called Cars on Fire, Cars Exploding. And so we can give it a try and see what happens. If it's crap, you won't even be seeing this at all because I'll be deleting it. If it's not crap, you'll be here seeing me talk to you now. Here we go. This one is a short video. Actually, it's only 7 minutes and 53 seconds. I'm sure that I can find a way to make it last a lot longer than that because, of course, my beginning is longer than just the introduction. So sit back, grab yourself some popcorn. I've got some, but I'm not going to eat it because it'll make noise in the microphone. So I'll just stare at it while I watch these fire explosions. Here we go, guys. I hate him. Oh, that's not good. That's not good. Get out. That's oh, bad. Oh, that's bad. That's Asian summer. Oh.
No, that worse. That thing is gonna go.
Oh.
Do you think it's it?
Hit the day, move. Excuse me.
It was his cigarette.
But maybe somebody leaving on, right? Maybe somebody leaving on.
No, you don't want to start provocando. Yo creo que es eso de. Ya lo ves.
Did he say maybe somebody leave a note? On what? A pile of ashes? Dude, your car burned up. Sorry. Call 911 to find out where the rest of it's at. Dear sir or madam, I was sorry to hear of the demise of your car, but it caught flames. Didn't know where you were, so I left this note where your windshield used to be.
Here comes the fire truck. Fire.
Yeah.
After it all burned. I don't know what the police was thinking of taking that let us swim.
On the plus side, it was a piece of crap.
Got one going, Ross. There you go. There you go. How about that, huh?
Want me to call him?
Give him a big hand. Thanks, Ross.
What, he was just going to run it till the flames stopped coming out of the end? How does that happen?
It's too dark, late. You can't get.
You got it in good. You back in.
She's on this thing. Not bad.
That's good.
Oh yeah, there you go.
That's a nice carrying.
When you're going to put that much money into a car, maybe you should opt for a better fire extinguisher than just blowing on it to put it out.
Trying to get away from whatever.
You know what kind of car that is, right? I'm pretty sure that that's not a crematorium. Just saying.
This smokes and stuff is.
I'm gonna hope it's empty. And I'm gonna hope that the fire started in the engine and not back, because. And if it ain't empty, please pull the body out. Save the poor family from finding out that you done burnt up their dead relative, please. The hearse people. Can I just add one more thing to this video? I know that we don't know when this fire started. I'm just wondering if it was the wisest thing to do was to park it next to a gas station. Just saying. I have a PSA. Um, this is a known fact, and I don't think people actually know this fact. And that is when fires like this happen at gas stations, and they happen an awful lot. More than you would actually know. They do because people are stupid. But the fact that I need to tell you people is, and please tell your friends and your family members this fact, because it's kind of scary. More often than not, when a fire like this actually happens and a woman is involved, they tend to flee first and then return to get their purse out of the car and don't make it back out in time. It's a known fact, and it should be told more often. Do not, when you are at a gas station and your car is in trouble because it is near flames, or it's on fire, or the fuel you were using is on fire, or the guy next to you was using is on fire, don't go after your purse. Your purse is fine. Whatever's in there is replaceable. Let it burn. You're not replaceable. Sorry, but I've had to say that because people don't know, and it's something that needs to be said. Oh, this is not going to go well. This is not going to end well. Don't. Oh, you fool. How'd you get away? It's so bright it turned off the night vision. Look at that. Look at that. It was a woman. It was a woman. Because I could tell by the way her hips were. But she poured so much fuel on that car that it is in the gutter in front of those other 3 or 4 cars. And don't think the cops don't know who you are. You were very specific in your targeting. And they're going to come after you. They're going to come after you for that car and all the cars around it, and the trees and the property damage, and then the environmental cleanup. Because that's going to be a big, expensive cleanup. Somebody done pissed that woman off. Therapy would have been cheaper. That's all I gotta say. That's all I gotta say. I hate therapists. Oh, shiitake mushrooms. Look at the fire further up there. Look. Look right up here. Oh my God. Oh my God. I wonder. So, I looked it up. Arson fire destroys up to 7 vehicles in Ontario hotel parking lot. It was a man. Okay. He must have been wearing skinny jeans because he was really, yeah. 7 cars. But that's not all. An arson set fire targeting one car early Sunday morning in Ontario hotel parking lot spread to other vehicles with as many as 7 burned. No injuries were reported from the blaze in the parking lot near the Azure Hotel and Suites. But, and it goes down here a little bit further, that says that 3 fire engines and 1 hook and ladder company responded to the call. Later on, an initial report that the fire had spread to the hotel, but the flames did not reach the structure. Yeah. 7 vehicles. 7 vehicles. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's the fire department. Oh. There we go. There we go. I don't care how mad you get. Don't light people's shit on fire. Don't do it. Don't do it. I don't care what they did to you. I don't care how they broke your heart or stole your money or shot your dog. I don't care. Don't do it. Arson's a crime. Arson's a crime that you pay for twice. Because you do time for it. Oh, actually, you pay 3 times because you do time for it. You pay your lawyer for it. And you've got to pay back all the insurance companies that paid out for it. Trust me. You ain't going to pay that off making 18 cents a day at the local prison. All right. So don't do it. Don't do it. But you know what you can do? You can like, subscribe, do your magic, so I can do mine. Share this, enjoy it. Please check out the original video if you want, which I will put their links down below. Have a fabulous day. And if not, if you're in a mood, if you're angry, need to burn off some steam, come back. I'll find us another video. Good one, guys. Laters.